Before anything, I would like to thank you for letting me into your space. And thank you for the 800 subscribers that we now have on YouTube. It's been quite an experience for us. We are grateful. We can't thank you enough. Today, I intend to show you how you can put a text in a moving object with the help of the RotoBrush effects in Adobe After Effects. These effects can also be achieved in a slightly different way if the image is static. This can also be achieved in Adobe After Effects in a slightly different way if the image is static. But today we intend to achieve this in a moving object. So let's imagine that you already have your clip, your video clip, and you are trying to identify where you want your text to be. Let me use this video that you can see on your screen as a case study. In this video, we intend to put the text just behind the leg of our model. So as soon as you've identified where you want your text to be, you highlight the clip by clicking on it, and thereafter you move to the RotoBrush icon, and you move immediately after you click on the RotoBrush icon, you go back to the clip and you double click on the clip. You double click on, the area where you want to put your text. In this particular context, we intend to put our text just behind the legs of our model. So as soon as you double click on the clip, you just draw out a rough sketch of where you want to be highlighted. And immediately after you are done with the click, you move on to the to the freeze option, and you also click on the freeze option. So as soon as you click on the freeze option, what it will do is it will automatically automate the freezing option for you all through the entire video frame to make it easy for you to do your thing. So thereafter, as soon as it is done with the propagation, you can either leave the RotoBrush at version 3.0 and leave the quality at best, or you decide to choose 2.0 version and you leave the quality at standard. It all depends on your choice. Immediately after you are done with that, you duplicate your clip in the project file. So you click on the new video that you just duplicated, and you make sure that the RotoBrush effect on that new video clip is removed. You delete it. Immediately after you delete it, then you introduce your text. But make sure that your text is in between both clips so that the text can be directly positioned behind the moving object. And there you have it. There is no need for long unnecessary process. If you love this demonstration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Good luck. I can't wait to hear from you.